Seeded team in the tournament today is going to be 323V Gears from Martinsville, Indiana, and Cornerstone Robotics. Come on up, Gears. Gears, who would you like to select?
Team 2775B.
5069Z. We'd like to select 2131R.
3141V, Yankees Point.
1082R. 338A.
6842K.
8349G.
1082X.
97934W.
2055A. Robocop is the reigning World Excellence Champion is here today.
1082J.
323E.
1233J.
99904X.
2410A.
You're still here? Go home. It's over. What are you expecting? A teaser for next year's game?
This video on fun is brought to you by viewers like you and also in partnership with the following. The Robotics Education and Competition Foundation provides fantastic programs for students from elementary school all the way through college. These include VEX, aerial drone competition, online challenges, JROTC, girl-powered, scholarships, certifications, and so much more. To discover these exciting opportunities, visit recf.org and get connected. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell to stay up to date on our new videos. Keep the conversation going and provide your input to our content. Most live shows can be found on the First Updates Now YouTube channel, live competitions at twitch.tv/firstupdatesnow, and join our Discord at discord.gg/firstupdatesnow. Check our other social offerings on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter.